Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. Are you having trouble organising your academic literature? Well, Scholarcy's organisation solution is just the tool for you. Let's take a look at how it works. You can use Scholarcy to organise your academic literature just like you would any other file management system that you might have used on tools like Windows and Mac. However, the advantage that you have using Scholarcy is that no other files will come in and distract you. Any downloads, any photos that you have saved will be clear from the Scholarcy library for you to just focus on your academic literature. You can easily create a new library to make sorting and categorising literature much easier. You can also click on search and retrieve any saved flashcards that you have in your library. You can sort your libraries by clicking onto the drop down here, where you can choose between newest first, oldest first, title ascending and title descending. Let's now take a look inside a library to see how I've got my flashcards organised. Let's take a look at augmented reality. Inside here you can see I have 2 folders and 7 uncategorised flashcards. I have an automated literature search folder which contains an RSS feed subscription. Currently all of these flashcards are uncategorised, so I need to go through and sort these at some point. Let's come back out of there. And if I go into references, you can see that I've got 2 folders, one for the rejected articles and one for accepted. I've then got 6 uncategorised flashcards which I need to go through and screen. In my screening process, I'll go through and read the synopsis of an article and maybe the summary as well, and decide if I want to keep it in the accepted folder, which I'll use then to cite my article later on, or move it to the rejected folder, where I'm not going to cite it, but I want to keep hold of it for someone in the future. Let's now take a look at how we can organise and sort our saved flashcards inside our folder system. It can be helpful to create a new folder which can act as a destination for any articles accepted or rejected through the screening process, but since I've already made some, I'm going to click cancel and I'm not going to make a folder, I'm going to use the ones I've already got. You can decide which information about the flashcards are available to you by clicking onto columns, and then you can select or deselect certain types of information that you may not want to have visible to you. I personally recommend keeping the headline visible, as it can really help you during the screening process. Next, let's choose the order that we want to have our flashcards available to us. We have a long list of options here. I personally prefer to go with citations descending, as it will bring the most cited articles to the very top. So I finished reading the most cited article from my automated literature search, and I decided that I'd also like to cite this when it comes time to write my essay. To make sure that I can easily find this in the future, I'm going to click on to organise, and I'm going to scroll through the list until I find my augmented reality folder. And once I find it, I'm going to go into the accepted folder and click on to move. It doesn't close down the flashcard, but it does move into the right file path so I can easily retrieve this later on. A really easy way to retrieve a flashcard that you've just imported or just been reading is the recent flashcards menu. I can click onto here, then click onto the top flashcard in my list and easily open up the article that I was just reading. If you can't find your flashcards in the recent flashcards section, another option is Scholarcy's search bar. Click onto the search bar, and from here you can type any information like the author name, the title of the flashcard, information that appears inside the flashcard. Alternatively, you can type in any notes that you've added. From here, any articles that have those notes attached to them will appear. You can then click onto them, and you can look at the notes to see that you have added that to the flashcard. And with that, you should now be an expert of organising your flashcards and folders within your Scholarcy library. Hopefully this is useful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching.